Hey, this is Jeremy Schoonmaker, Pre-Sales TC for the HP Channel MPS Group, and today I'm going to show you in this video how to customize the wallpaper on a future Smart 4 device. I'll be using the HP LaserJet Flow M527 for this video, and I think I'm running Future Smart 4.7 today. Now you'll see that the standard background here is white with each of the icons having black text. I think this looks really good and it's nice and clean and customers seem to like it a lot. But we find that some customers want to customize this background either with a photo or with a logo of theirs. And so we've given them the ability to do this in Future Smart 4. To do so, you'll need to log on to the embedded web server. This isn't a function you can do from the front panel. Once you're logged in to the embedded web server as the administrator and you go to the General tab, you'll see a home screen customization area. And in the middle, there's a wallpaper customization. You'll see in the description that it'll tell you the type of image files you can use as well as the maximum size. If you try to put an image in there that's larger than that, it will reject it. So you need to make sure that you're 800 by 484 pixels or less in this case. Some screens will have a little bit higher resolution, but today we're at 800 by 484. So to set the wallpaper, all you need to do is click the Set Wallpaper button and then choose an image, click Open, and then it will update the wallpaper. Now I'm going to refresh my screen here, wake up from sleep mode, and take a snapshot, and you should see now that that logo that I put on there is up on the screen. Now a couple things to notice. First of all, because my logo wasn't 800 by 484 pixels, it was smaller than that, the device justified it up to the upper left-hand corner of the screen. So it always locks it down here to this corner of the screen. So if you want your logo down here in this corner or up here in the upper right-hand corner, what you need to do is you need to create an image of the proper size, right, 800 by 484 pixels, and then you need to fill it with white space or gray space, so some other empty space, and then put the logo where you want to. So just keep in mind, again, that you don't have any way of saying where you want your image positioned. It always goes to the upper left-hand corner. The second thing to notice is that the text changed from black to white with a drop shadow. Now what we see is that white with a drop shadow can kind of be seen universally no matter what kind of background it is, whether it's dark or light, you can see it. We've gotten the feedback that sometimes it's difficult to see on white background. It's not the best. And so if you want to change that, even just a basic gray looks a lot better. Again, you can just fill up the space on there, an image that's the full size of the resolution of the screen, and then just stick the logo on there wherever you like. Now to remove a wallpaper, you just go back here to the home screen customization and you click the Clear Wallpaper button. That'll remove it. It doesn't take very long. Again, I'm going to wake my device back up, and we should see in the snapshot that now the logo's gone and the text has changed back to black. Last thing I want to show you is that, again, if you want to take an image that fills the entire space, you can do that. So I'm going to add one more customization here, which is a wallpaper that's 800 by 484 pixels. Now how I got that is I put it in Paint. I know there's probably some better ways to do this if you have some graphics design skills, but I don't, so I'm here in Paint. And Paint has these adjusters in the corners and will tell you the size of the image down here at the bottom. So I've got this set to 800 by 484 pixels, and then I save it off. Now going back to my web server, I grab that background, same thing as before, click Open, and it will set it as the background. I'll wake my device up one more time and hit this control panel snapshot, and you should see that now that image is covering the full background of the screen. This can look pretty cool if you get some good images, maybe of the local scenery or of something that the company's doing. Even just a company logo really adds some pizzazz to the background. Again, you see that my text has changed to white, but I can still see it just fine even though it's on the dark background. So this looks a lot better than the standard layout, and I think a lot of customers like doing this. It's an easy way to wow them with the HP interface. That is how you set the wallpaper and background on a future Smart 4 device.